Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is day 5 of my 12 Days of Christmas series. So today we are making a little embellishment with a deer. This die I received from In Love Art Shop. This is a collab with them as well. And so this die is initially for earrings. However, I thought it was such a cute little deer that I needed to use it. I needed it in my stash, so I picked it up. We're going to cover that hole where the earring loop goes, so never fear, we can fix it all. So I'm also using this little bow die from this Amazon pickup that I picked up. I will have that linked below. It's like a little sweater, ugly sweater die, and it has a little bow, and that's what I'm going to use for covering up the jump ring hole on the deer. I'm also using the Sizzix die for the scarf. It's the snowman scarf, and so I needed wanted to decorate the little deer and make them just look so cute. I'm using the Sizzix die. This is an old die. I believe it's from, let me check. It's like from 2019. So if I can find it, I will have it linked below, but you can use any die like this, a reef. You just need a reef and a large snowflake. So I'll put the reef together with some liquid glue, and I'm doubling up on the reef and snowflake, and using some glittered cardstock for the snowflake, and then of course the pattern paper for the reef. So I did double up and used 110-pound cardstock just to give it stability. So I'm gonna put the snowflake right on top of the reef. Also using some eyelash trim from Hobby Lobby. So real quick, I'm just going to loop the yarn around the middle of the reef and adhere it with hot glue. So I'm going to upload a lot of videos. You guys know I need to get 12, so I have 6 more to go. So I may have 2 for each day, and hopefully you guys don't mind about that. But as soon as Christmas is over, we could start on Valentine's. Okay, all done. I did put a little circle in the middle just to cover all of the yarn and glue there, make it look neat. Using this die from In Love Art Shop as well. This was one of my collabs as well with them, and I love the snowflake, so I'm just going to layer that on top of the Sizzix die. Okay, that's what it looks like. To use some hot glue to adhere. Using some more of this trim. Okay, just making it into a little ball and adhering it with some hot glue. Adding my little deer. I love this little deer. He's so cute. I believe I've seen this around. I just can't remember where. But I needed it and I never could find it, and finally I'm so glad In Love Art Shop had it, because it's one of those type of dies that you need in your stash that you can use year-round. Well, not year-round, but Christmas in July, and also for Christmas crafting. Okay, added the bow. Now I'm going to add the scarf. I'm using some foam, glitter foam from Hobby Lobby, and I will show you the name of that at the end of the video. Using some hot glue to adhere that as well. I did do some stitching on the deer. Also using the Feeling Frosty collection that I picked up from KG Crafts. I will have all that linked below. And look how cute this deer is. Oh, I'm obsessed with it. So cute. It's a simple embellishment that you could gift to your crafty friends and have it in your swaps, and I just think it's so cute. You could slap this on anything. So here it is, the Silly Winks glitter foam. Okay, well, this concludes the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and until tomorrow, let's see what I can craft up. Bye.